Alright, so we've got another flight on the Hawk. Thing's pretty dang sweet. Flying it with a 6S 40C 4000, positioned right there. I'm liking it quite a bit. I have a Lemon RX gyro in there, barely on, but it's there and it does make a difference. Though the plane really doesn't need it. It flies great. So, let's go. I haven't really flown it fast yet, so this will be a faster flight. I've flown it in formation and then touch and goes and stuff like that with it already, so this flight I'll go a little bonkers. I'll fly for the three minutes
cleared.
That's on my timer, and then I'll come right in at 3 minutes and then check the battery. So let's go.
Gear down, gear up.
I like the lights on this plane. Gotta find a way to get those gear doors to stay closed. But anyway, this is my first full-on crazy person flight. Plane makes a really cool sound. I think a lot of it has to do with the
Time remaining 2 minutes.
gear doors kind of hanging open, but it makes a really cool sound. Let me see if I can get this light shining bright on us. I'm going to change that light to the Freewing F15 nose gear light. I think it's going to be brighter. This is a really sweet flying plane.
Time remaining 1 minute.
See how high it climbs. Wow, basically it's unlimited.
Seconds.
Let's get a full-on sneak pass. I'm gonna climb up high as I can get
10,
it.
9, 8, 7.
Kill the throttle and dive. No throttle. This is zero throttle.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Come around, do a gear pass.
Gear down.
three gear are down. I like to make my landing pattern a constant descent just in case something goes wrong.
Takeoff flaps, landing flaps.
That way, if something does go wrong, I can still coast in. Right now the motor is off. No motor at all. Let's get lined up with the runway. Whoa! I want to come down. Alright, cool.
Flaps up.
Slightly brighter light in the nose, but I think I can do that. I can do that with the free wing.